Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign up on Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application into your device, and after opening the Netflix application, this homepage will appear. You just simply have to put your email address into this box and then click to get started. Then just simply set up a password for your Netflix account. And after setting up a password for your account, and then Netflix will send you a verification link into your email, and then after going into that email, you just simply have to tap into this continue button, then just simply tap into this finish sign up button. By following these very easy steps, you can easily sign up to your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.